Correr also means to hurry or to hurry up in some situations. It's all about situations here. It's all about situations. This is more like an expression, like when you say, hurry, we're going to be late, or hurry up, we need to go to this place, right? So it's more, we're talking about more like an expression here. We're talking about a common expression. And you will notice this particular word or conjugation of the verb correr. Corre, corre. Sometimes they say correle, correle. So it could be like that, with an accent mark on top of the letter O. Córrele. Okay? Córrele. Why? Who knows? Who knows? Maybe you can be late. Definitely. Córrele. Córrele. Okay. So córrele. Let's just leave it as it was. Corre. 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 Why? Why is that? Sorry about that. No vamos a llegar a tiempo. That is a great common phrase over here. The sentence, no vamos a llegar a tiempo. It's a long one, but commonly said in Spanish, along with corre. Corre, corre. It's almost like almost literal run. Run. You gotta run. You cannot walk. You need to run. Okay, but it's also used figuratively, just to say hurry. Okay, hurry, hurry, hurry. We're not going to get there on time. Okay, it's late. It's late. So let's break this down. Corre, corre. Corre means hurry. That's simple. No vamos a, it's a common phrase. That means we're not going to. So you can use it, oh my God, like in so many situations. No vamos a comer, no vamos a caminar, no vamos a estudiar, no vamos a, and so on. So we're not going to do something, essentially. In this situation, llegar. Llegar is another great Spanish verb that means to arrive or to get to some place. Okay? To get to some place. It could be, I don't know, a house, party, event, airport, and so on. We don't need to add there here in Spanish. Llegar, you can. Llegar allá, it's not common. It's more likely that you will hear no vamos a llegar a tiempo. Okay? We don't need to have there, because llegar already kind of says it all. Like it says, hey, you're not gonna get there. Okay, get to some place. A tiempo means on time. I know on in Spanish is en, but you cannot translate this word by word. That's why it's good to learn like phrases, so you can kind of place them together and you can have a longer sentence and say a lot. Okay? If it's difficult for you to do that, just keep it short, right? But it's really useful to learn those little phrases. A tiempo, on time. A tiempo. Okay? Tiempo means time, and also the weather. Depends on the situation. But in this situation, it means time. A tiempo, on time. So corre is used as an expression just to say hurry. Hurry. Okay? Hurry. You can also mean it literally. just run. You gotta run. You gotta run. But anyways, it's quite interesting for sure. Now, the second example is corre. Se está haciendo tarde. Another great sentence. Se está haciendo tarde. Corre. Corre. So usually I would say my suggestion is to learn the word or the expression corre, corre, because you will use it to say to one person, corre. If you want to say this to a group of people, let's say your friends or family, you are going to some place with your friends or family, then you will change corre to corran. Okay, corran, 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 please. Corran, hurry up. Se está haciendo tarde. So I'm just going to leave it like that. The first example, corre, means that you're saying that to one person. Hurry, corre, you, just singular you, corre. Corran, you, plural, a group of people. Okay, so this means hurry up. It's getting late. Okay. This is similar to the Spanish expression apúrate, apúrense. Okay. Apurarse is, just let me put it here. Apurarse means to hurry. Okay. That means to hurry. So it's similar to that. Correr sometimes can mean that or be similar to this verb. Excellent. So, corran, you're saying this to a group of people. Thank you for the heart emojis. I love it. Thank you. Corran means hurry to a group of people. Se está haciendo tarde. This is like a whole phrase by itself. Okay? But se está, similar in this situation, means it's haciendo, getting. Okay? Se está haciendo. It's getting. So this is similar. This is used when you're talking about situations. For example, it's getting late, it's getting usually late, but let me think of a different word that we can place here. Se está haciendo de día. Se está haciendo de día. That's another thing that people say in Spanish, and that means it's it's almost daytime. That's pretty much like you're saying, it's almost daytime. I know it's a completely different translation. You're not saying it's getting daytime, right? But it's similar to saying it's almost daytime. But when you have tarde, se está haciendo tarde, that means it's getting late. Tarde means afternoon. And it means late as well. So if you say se está haciendo tarde, it's getting late. Okay? Corran. Hurry up. Hurry up. Se está haciendo tarde. It's getting late. Okay? So that is what it means.